The night of July 6, 1988, will forever be etched in the annals of history. A fiery inferno erupted in the North Sea, consuming an oil platform named Piper Alpha. This wasn't just an accident, it was a catastrophe of unprecedented scale. 167 souls perished in the raging flames and turbulent waters. The world watched in horror as the symbol of energy and progress transformed into a tomb of steel. The Piper Alpha disaster remains the deadliest offshore oil tragedy to this day. The disaster sent shockwaves across the globe, exposing the inherent dangers of offshore oil extraction. It served as a stark reminder of the price of progress, paid for in the lives of the men who toiled tirelessly to fuel a world hungry for energy. Piper Alpha stood as a testament to human ingenuity. Located 120 miles off the coast of Aberdeen, Scotland, it was a behemoth of metal and machinery. This platform played a pivotal role in the North Sea's oil and gas production. In its prime, Piper Alpha contributed a staggering 10% of the United Kingdom's total oil and gas output. However, beneath its imposing exterior lurked a web of critical safety oversights. These vulnerabilities, often ignored in the relentless pursuit of production, set the stage for disaster. The platform's design, intended to minimize costs and maximize output, prioritized production over safety. This fatal flaw would have dire consequences. The tragedy began with a seemingly routine maintenance procedure. A pressure safety valve, crucial for preventing gas buildup, was removed for repair on a condensate pump. However, this routine task was plagued by a series of oversights. The valve's removal was poorly documented, failing to reach the night shift. This critical lapse in communication set off a domino effect, leading to a catastrophic chain of events. Later that evening, another condensate pump tripped, shutting down automatically. Operators, unaware of the missing safety valve on the first pump, attempted to start it. This seemingly innocuous decision proved disastrous. The missing valve allowed gas to escape uncontrolled, rapidly filling the platform. The escaping gas ignited, triggering a massive explosion that ripped through the platform. The control room, the platform's nerve center, was decimated. With communication lines severed and chaos reigning, the situation spiraled out of control. The initial explosion was just the beginning. The fire, fueled by oil and gas, raged uncontrollably. Firefighting systems, hampered by maintenance, were inadequate. Neighboring platforms continued pumping oil and gas. This fed the inferno. Survivors faced unimaginable choices. Some jumped into the sea. Others sought refuge in smoke-filled compartments. The heat melted steel. Rescue efforts were hampered by the blaze. Firefighting vessels faced an inferno. The world watched in horror. A reckoning for safety, the Piper Alpha disaster demanded answers. The Cullen Inquiry was the most comprehensive investigation into an offshore disaster. It exposed safety oversights and systemic failures. The report issued 106 recommendations for offshore safety. Responsibility for safety was transferred to the Health and Safety Executive. The Piper Alpha disaster marked a turning point in offshore safety. It led to sweeping reforms and a stronger safety culture. The Cullen Inquiry's recommendations reshaped the industry. Today, rigorous safety drills and independent oversight are standard. The legacy of Piper Alpha is one of increased safety and vigilance.